Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video, we are going to learn how to shift and copy floors and generate all columns in a single click of mouse. Click on Login. Click on Open Project button. Select project name. Click Open to continue. We can press hold Alt key and click on Sort Joints About Y to move current floor level in Y direction. Similarly, we can press hold Shift key and click on Sort Joints About Y to simultaneously move all floor levels in Y direction. We have already used Create Columns button in a previous video. In the current project, first floor level is at 3000 mm and second floor level is at 6000 mm. Assuming some plinth height, let us shift first and second floor level by 1500 mm. First, let us set current floor level at 3000 mm. Use left and right click to set current floor level at 3000 mm. Click on Plan in the status bar. Isometric view is visible in the main window. Use Rotate About X button to rotate the isometric view about X axis. Press hold Shift key and click on Sort Joints About Y button. Click Yes to continue. Enter 1500 mm as the shift distance value. Click OK to continue. As we can see, both the levels are shifted by 1500 mm. Similarly, we can press hold Alt key and click on Sort Joints About Y to move only current floor level in Y direction. Now let us copy these typical floors to upper levels. Use left and right click to set current floor level at the first floor level. Click on Copy Floor. Enter copy floor distance equal to 6000 mm. Click OK to continue. Current floor, which is at 4500 mm level, is copied to 10500 mm level. Left click and set current level to 7500 mm level. Click on Copy Floor. Leave copy floor distance equal to 6000 mm as it is. Click OK to continue. Current floor, which is at 7500 mm level, is copied to 13500 mm level. Repeat this procedure for required number of floors. Now let us extend all columns up to top floor. Click on Create Column button. Leave concrete grade as it is. Click OK to continue. All columns are extended up to top floor level. Akses RCBD. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.